Welcome to the PageGate client configuration tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to configure the PageGate client to work with the PageGate server. The first step is to run the program, so go to your Start menu, go to Programs, find the PageGate client program group, and left-click on PageGate client. The first time you run the program, you should see this prompt. In the first box, you'll need to specify the location of the PageGate server's database. If you're running the PageGate client on the server, enter the local path to the database. If you're running the PageGate client on a workstation, enter the UNC or network path to the database. The next field allows you to set a preset messages file. The preset messages are a series of pre-programmed messages that can be used by the client. If you want each individual client to have their own preset messages, leave this field at the local path. If you want all of the clients to have the same preset messages, specify the path to the PageGate server's database. Next is the sender's name field. By default, the program will use the name of whatever user is currently logged into Windows. If you want to change this, remove the %login name % from the field and replace it with a static sender's name. Below this is the display group field. For more information on display groups, please watch our Groups and Display Groups tutorial. Next is the station number. This is a numerical sequence that identifies this individual client. By default, the PageGate client uses station 10, but if you're using multiple client installations and you want to differentiate which station sent what message, you'll want to increment this for each installation. Don't use any number lower than 10. The update frequency field is the number of seconds that the PageGate client checks for new information from and posts new data to the PageGate server. By default, it's every 10 seconds. The max message length field indicates the maximum number of characters you want the client to be able to enter for a single message. Below that is the Enable Spell Check checkbox. If you have Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word installed, PageGate can use their dictionaries for spell check references. Below that are two radio buttons that allow you to choose whether you want these settings to apply to all user profiles that log onto this computer, or just this one specific user profile. After specifying the paths and selecting your options, left-click on Apply. This concludes the PageGate client configuration tutorial. For more information, including how to install and configure the PageGate server, please visit our website, www.notepage.net.